Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Pestaas Magnecticas is probably one of the most sought-after beauty innovations for those seeking effortless glamour and a dramatic eye transformation without the fuss of traditional adhesives, offering a revolutionary approach to enhancing your natural beauty with a secure and comfortable fit that lasts all day, making them a game-changer for makeup enthusiasts and beginners alike who desire stunning lashes in minutes. Number 5. PicassoTiles 100-piece magnetic tiles. Unleash your imagination and build as big as you can dream. With these magnetic tiles, the only limit is your creativity. Add more pieces to create your masterpiece. It's never too early to foster creativity. Children can learn about colors, shapes, and even magnetism while they play. It's a fun way to develop essential skills. Enjoy quality time together, whether playing alone or with others. These tiles are perfect for all ages, offering a great way to connect with family and loved ones. Encourage creativity, a vital skill for success. These educational toys provide endless fun and are a gift that never goes out of style for school-age children. Build beyond your wildest dreams with these clear 3D magnetic tiles. They are easy to construct and even easier to put away for storage, making playtime a breeze. What we like? Dream big and build bigger with these magnetic tiles. If you are looking for a toy that encourages limitless creativity and family bonding, this is it. It's perfect for those who want to build colossal structures and engage in collaborative play. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the lashes securely. They are easy to apply and remove without damaging natural lashes. The lashes look very natural and blend well with my own. Number 4. Modern Innovation 16-inch Magnetic Knife Bar. Introducing our powerful magnetic knife bar, crafted from elegant stainless steel. Its strong magnets and satin finish will beautifully complement any kitchen decor. This knife rack features a fully magnetic surface powered by strong magnets. It can instantly and securely hold even your largest knives. With its extended length, it holds more than most knife blocks. Its versatile design allows it to fit perfectly in various spaces in your kitchen or workspace. Use it to hold knives, scissors, tools, keys, and more. It's the ultimate organizer for a variety of items. Mounting hardware and easy-to-follow instructions are included. You can organize your kitchen right away with this simple installation. What we like? Keep your kitchen organized and stylish with this magnetic bar. If you need a versatile organizer for knives, tools, or even art supplies, this is an excellent choice. Its strong magnetic hold and modern design make it a practical and attractive addition to any space. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the lashes securely. They are easy to apply and remove without damaging natural lashes. The lashes look very natural and blend well with my own lashes. Number 3. PicassoTiles 60-piece magnetic tiles clear 3D building blocks. Discover a world of imagination with our 60-piece magnetic tile set. It's perfect for hands-on STEM exploration, allowing endless creative play as you stack, connect, and design. Crafted from BPA-free, child-safe materials, these magnetic blocks are built to last. They snap together securely, ensuring durability through years of everyday building fun. These magnetic tiles are fully compatible with all full-size PicassoTile sets. Grow your collection as big as your imagination allows, creating even more incredible structures. Designed for ages 3 and up, this helps build spatial reasoning, color recognition, and fine motor skills. Each tile is perfectly sized for little hands to grasp and manipulate. A playroom essential for home or classroom, this 60-piece set provides hours of hands-on STEM building fun. Experience the trusted PicassoTiles quality for yourself. What we like? Introduce your little ones to STEM with these easy-to-grip magnetic tiles. If you're seeking a toy that aids in developing fine motor skills and color recognition for younger children, this set is ideal. It's perfect for preschoolers and offers expandable play with other sets. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the lashes securely. They are easy to apply and remove without damaging natural lashes. The lashes look very natural and blend well with my own lashes. Number 2. MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-piece Magnetic Construction Set. Introducing the original and most celebrated magnetic construction set. This set features classic geometric shapes in vibrant colors, perfect for sparking creativity. Inside this set, you'll find 32 translucent geometric shapes in 6 different colors. It includes a variety of squares and triangles to build with. This is a certified STEAM toy designed to help develop essential skills. It aids in fine motor skills, cognitive development, and creativity. This is the ideal starter set for children aged 3 and up. It's a great way to begin their building adventures. Start with this classic set and watch your child's imagination soar. You can always expand their collection with other compatible sets. Our pieces are built for endless hours of play. They are designed to be durable and safe, with secure magnets. What we like? Start your magnetic building journey with the original and most celebrated brand. If you're looking for a certified STEAM toy that fosters creativity and cognitive development, this is the perfect starter set. It's an excellent choice for gifting to children aged 3 and up. What people say. The magnetic eyeliner is very strong and holds the lashes in place all day. The lashes are very natural looking and easy to apply. The eyeliner is waterproof and smudge-proof, so the lashes stay on even through sweat and humidity. Number 1. Magnetic eyelashes with magnetic eyeliner kit. Tired of messy glue and complicated lash application? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve stunning lashes in seconds. Our kit offers a simple, elegant solution for your everyday beauty routine. Experience enhanced volume and depth with our upgraded 3D and 5D magnetic lash designs. These provide a natural yet dramatic look that perfectly complements your eyes. Our specially formulated magnetic eyeliner ensures a strong, reliable hold for your lashes throughout the day. Enjoy confidence without worrying about smudging or shifting. Get more value with our reusable lash kit, designed for multiple wears. This not only saves you money but also contributes to a more sustainable beauty practice. Everything you need is included: 10 pairs of lashes, 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliner, and precision tweezers. Application is straightforward, making beautiful lashes accessible to everyone. Say goodbye to sticky fingers and irritating glue. Our magnetic system provides a clean, comfortable alternative for a flawless finish every time. What we like? Achieve stunning lashes effortlessly with this magnetic eyeliner kit. If you desire a reusable, glue-free lash solution that's easy to apply and remove, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who want a quick and dramatic eye look without the hassle. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the lashes securely. They are easy to apply and remove without damaging natural lashes. The lashes look very natural and blend well with my own lashes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.